Hello everyone, I am Dr. Godandaraman. In this section, we are going to discuss with Milne-Thomson method problem. Look at this problem. Find the analytic function f of z equal to u plus iv if v equal to 3x square y plus 2x square minus y cube minus 2y square. The main purpose of Milne-Thomson method to find f of z when u is given, when v is given. In this problem, v is given, therefore Milne-Thomson method to find f of z when v is given. Therefore, now what is the formula for finding f of z? Integral pi 1 of z comma 0 dz plus I into integral pi 2 of z comma 0 dz, where pi 1 of z comma 0 is nothing but vy of z comma 0. This is a partial derivative v with respect to y, and then pi 2 of z comma 0 vx of z comma 0. So dou v by dou x of z comma 0. So this is a formula for calculation Milne-Thomson method to find the value of f of z. So now what is the value of u? V equal to, this is a v equal to 3x square and plus 2x square minus y cube minus 2y square. So this is a v value. Now partial derivative with respect to x, vx. Here x square is only variable, 3y constant. Therefore 3 constant, x square differentiation is 2x, y constant, plus 2 constant, x square differentiation 2x, then the y constant 0, this term 0. Therefore 6xy plus 4x, this is a vx, and then vy differentiate partially with respect to y, 3x square constant, y differentiation 1, this y differentiation 1, plus 2x square constant 0 minus y cube differentiation 3y square minus 2y square, 2 constant, y square differentiation is nothing but 2 into 2y. So 3x square minus 3y square minus 4y. So this is a vy, vx, vy. Now to find pi 1 of z comma 0. So pi 1 of z comma 0 is nothing but vy of z comma 0, where x substitute z, y substitute 0. Therefore 3x square minus 3y square minus 4y substitute z comma 0. What is the mean that x substitute z, y substitute 0. Therefore 3 z square minus 3 0 square minus 4 into 0. So this is a 3 z square pi 1 of z comma 0 vy of z comma 0. This is a pi 1 of z comma 0. So next pi 2 of z comma 0, pi 2 of z comma 0 vx of z comma 0. Now vx 6xy plus 4x, 6xy plus 4x. Here substitute z comma 0. So x value is at y value to substitute 0. Therefore 6 z then y0 plus 4 z. The first term 0, the second term, so 0 plus 4 z, 4 z. Pi 2 of z comma 0, vx of z comma 0. So this is the pi 2 value. So now what is the formula for Milne-Thomson method? So Milne-Thomson method, to find f of z when v is given. So f of z equal to integral pi 1 of z comma 0 dz plus I into integral pi 2 of z comma 0 into dz. So substitute pi 1 of z comma 0 value, pi 1 of z comma 0, 3z square, 3z square dz plus I into integral pi 2 of z comma 0, so pi 2 of z comma 0, 4z into dz. Now integration with respect to z, 3 constant, z square integration is z cube by 3 plus I into 4 constant, z integration is z square by 2. To cancel this 3, then 2 times of 2. Therefore z cube plus I into 2z square plus constant. This after integration plus constant. So this is our f of z value. So the Milne-Thomson method main aim is to find the f of z. Suppose any conjugate to calculation means, now substitute in this equation z equal to x plus iy and then simplify and expand this form, rearrange real and imaginary part, then real part is u, imaginary part is v, because of see f of z is nothing but u plus iv. Thus so using Milne-Thomson method to find f of z when v is given. Thank you.